Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to translate the PowerPoint and DeepL. So actually guys, I'm going to show you a method and it's the best method, okay? It's the best one, which is uploading the PowerPoints inside DeepL, okay? So DeepL offers you the documents translation, okay, like PowerPoint, PDFs, Words, etc. Okay, so actually guys, first we'll need just to open up your favorite browser and then just go with the deepl.com, put it on the search engine or the search bar and hit enter, and after that just sign in or log in with your account. And now you will need to go and click on translate files, the second option that's located at the left hand menu. Right, so once you click it, you will need to upload your PowerPoint file just right here. I already uploaded a file, okay, a Word file actually, and now I will need to wait 29 days to upload a new one. So actually, to translate more documents, you will need to get the DeepL Pro. All right, so you will need to get the subscription. And all right, so let's say that you can see a button that says translate. Okay, so all you need to do is to drag your PowerPoint file right here inside that card, and then just go and choose your target language. So let's say that you want to translate that PowerPoint from English to French, and then just go with a button it says translate. Okay, so once you click it, you will need just to wait a few minutes, and then download the file. And what you get, so you will get a translated PPTX file, slides, layout, and design preserved, text replaced with translated version. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.